Jungwon ng ENHYPEN nag-reveal na ng pabango. Can I just say, finally, nanonood ako ng isang TikTok video update at nag-live si Jungwon ng ENHYPEN. Yes, fan ako ng ENHYPEN. The reason kaya ako sobrang interested malaman yung pabango niya, kasi surprisingly, nung nakita ko sila up close, among the members of ENHYPEN, si Jungwon yung mukhang pinakamabango, if that makes sense. Pero ever since man sinasabi niya na hindi siya nagpapabango, kasi very sensitive yung ilong niya, pretty sure it's the same perfume na pinanggit din dati ni Sunghon, and that is Tambourine's Late Autumn. Okay, side note first. Daming side note. Sobrang hilig ko sa Tambourine's na brand. Meron pa akong mga unopened boxes. I have a couple of 11 mls. Marami pa ako dun sa room na hindi pa nabubuksan na Tambourine's perfume. Ganun ako ka-addict sa DNA ng perfume na to. So, nung nag-reveal si Jungwon ng pabango niya, alalang-alala ko na meron ako at na-try ko na yung late autumn na perfume. And true enough, I have it. Paubos na siya. I think I'm down to my last 6 sprays na lang siguro to, or 7 sprays. Kung i-describe ko kung ano yung amoy ni Jungwon. Ni Jungwon talaga. Kung anong amoy ng perfume na to. Sobrang hilig ko sa pabango pero hindi ako magaling mag-describe. But the first sniff, I smell a very caramel scent. Hindi yung caramel na bagong caramel. Amoy siyang natuyo ng caramel. Mix mo sa... I don't know if you guys have been to a country na may autumn. Yung amoy nito, yung kapag yung dahon na tatapakan mo tapos crispy na, yung tumutunog na, it has a very specific scent. It's very earthy. It's very crisp. Yung parang there's a hint of citrus, maybe combination na ng lahat ng mga dahon na nahuhulog, plus the natural scent of the trees. Para siyang bittersweet, earthy. Lagyan mo ng konting citrus, yun na yun yung amoy ng perfume na to. Actually, it's a very light musk. It's a very light musk scent sa dry down. Ito yung kapag dumaang ka, alam mo lang na may dumaang mabango. Yung may dumang pogi. Ganun yung amoy nito. Hindi siya sumisigaw, but you can notice it. Sobrang bango. This is the 11 ml version. Yung kay Jungwon is the 14 ml egg version. I think I got this 11 ml for less than 2,000 pesos. Yung egg perfume nila, siguro mga 2,000 pesos. 1,900 to 2,000 pesos. And it will last you long. Kaya maliit lang yung kinuha ko nito. I really wanna try it first in the Philippines. And it works so well dito sa weather natin. Nagulat ako na kahit mainit, sobrang fresh ng amoy nito if you're traveling. Lalo na kung pupunta ka sa malamig na bansa, late autumn, perfect scent. Amoy mabango, amoy mayaman if I would say. So imagine niyo na lang, ganito yung amoy ni Jungwon is like a bitter, sweet, very crisp, musky, earthy scent. Combine mo sa itsura ni Jungwon, grabe talaga. I think bagay na bagay sa kanya tong perfume na to. If you wanna try this out, hindi lang dahil pabango to ni Jungwon, but really it's a good quality perfume. I'll say go na, try mo na.